I hope you enjoyed this hike up Mount Pisgah. Mount Pisgah is right on the shores of Lake Willoughby in Westmore, Vermont. As you can see, it's 2.3 miles to the summit, so 4.6 round trip. We went and hit the south outlook, so for us it was a little bit longer, just under 5. There are 2 outlooks on the North Trail, and they are beautiful. And those are your only views. You don't get any views from the summit of Pisgah. So you definitely make sure you follow the lookout signs if you go. The mountain it's a smaller mountain. It's about 2,700 feet tall, and I think it's right around 1,600 feet of elevation to hike. So it's it's not too shabby, but it's definitely not too strenuous. But it's a beautiful hike, beautiful views from the lookouts. We got a gorgeous day, sunny, not too much wind, and Yadi enjoyed it. I know that, and I hope you did too.